What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin and Ethereum. What we're going to look at are the whale wallet addresses, even down to the retail as well. So I'm hoping you guys get some quick value from this. Want to make it as fast as possible. And if you do like that content, fast and quick, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend coming up here. Let me know what you're doing. I hope to, get a little hike in or something. We're actually supposed to have some nice weather, so I'm excited about it. Let me know down low, guys, and we'll dig into this. So first of all, I want to start with addresses greater than 10,000 for Bitcoin. And what you can see here, what the most important thing that I'm watching, guys, for the longest time, since roughly about November 2020, we had been in this downtrend here, and this was 10,000 or more whale wallets. We went all the way till October 20th, 2021. And then what you can see is we had this big reversal here, and we pushed all the way up until about December 3rd, 2021. We came back and we set a higher low, and this higher low is significant in my opinion because the span of time that it was. We had this big span of time, and then we came back, and you can see that those whales stepped in and set a higher low, and now we're trying to keep this moving to the upside. So it's definitely something that I'm going to keep an eye on here. Right now it's 86 whale wallets. When we were up at our peak here, when we really had a lot of distribution, there was about 113, just to give you the numbers here, but we want to see this continue moving to the upside. Now, one thing that really came in strong here, this was on greater than 1,000. What you can see for the longest time here, we were just moving sideways and down, and we just got a massive move to the upside here, and this was on February 28th. Ton of buying. I mean, guys, that's huge when you take a look at that in comparison to what we were doing, just grinding down for so long, and then all of a sudden to have that move. So to me, that is exciting. It's something I want to keep an eye on. It also happened here around greater than 100. So you can see we were really dropping off a cliff here, and we just had this big reversal. So now we want to keep that moving back to the upside. In terms of addresses with greater than 100, you're looking at about 16,000 there. Then if we take a look at 10 or more, same deal. We had dropped off the cliff, and now we're just trying to round out here, a little bit of a rounded bottom, trying to change that trend, a little short-term uptrend right now. But you can see overall we've been in this downtrend for 10 or more, so that's why we're just really trying to get this rounded bottom here, change that up. And then if you look at one or more, nice steady move to the upside here, just nice steady uptrend. Right now with one or more, you're looking at about 819,000. And then, guys, these are the models that I find really interesting as well, like the 0.1. This has been nothing but up and to the right. So if you look at the bar chart there, shows the growth, and then 0.01, so just the retail up and to the right as well. So I think that is significant. What we're going to move into next is Ethereum. If you're here for ETH and you want to see this on the Glassnode, let me know down low. Otherwise, I'll just do Bitcoin. Would love to hear it, guys. So we're going to go into Ethereum, take a look at these addresses. So we're going to start with 10,000 or more. What I want to do here, guys, we're going to get it back to the line chart. So for 10,000 or more for Ethereum, it's almost, in terms of the whales, they hold almost 95, 96% of the supply, guys. So they're the ones you really want to pay attention to. We've had a bit of almost a triple bottom, a little bit higher low here, which is good. But right now, in terms of the whale wallets for Ethereum, there's 1,160 with 10,000 or more. But this price structures look nice. You can look at it here on the bar graph as well. Just been up. We've had this downward and sideways consolidation, trying to get moving again to the upside there. If we look at 1,000 or more, 1,000 or more have been in that downtrend here, guys, and this was more similar to what Bitcoin was doing before we got that huge explosion with 1,000 or more, just kind of trending down like this. And we're going to have to see if we can also get that big move for Ethereum. Hasn't happened yet for 1,000 or more. If we look at 100 or more, 100 or more had that big distribution. And guys, this was when price was around like $1,400 when we were moving to the upside there. We hit our bottom with about 42,106 addresses with 100 or more. Now we've just really been moving sideways here. So this could be somewhat of an accumulation area. We're going to have to watch that for 100 or more. Then if we get into 10 or more, 10 or more, been in a nice little uptrend here as well, guys. Had a nice strong move up. Then it's just been sideways, still trying to move up again. Right here, a little short-term uptrend there. And for 10 or more, you're looking at about 280,000 addresses for 10 or more. Then for 1 or more, up and to the right, so that's what you want to see. 0.1, that's up and to the right. And then 0.01, up and to the right as well, guys. So overall, that's not looking too bad in terms of the address. I really like to see that 1,000 or more for Bitcoin. We had that big spike, so we definitely have to watch that. We have to see if we can defend 40,000. That's going to be a big area for support, and we have to break through 45 to 46,000. So could stay in this range for a while, this important area, but I want to put this out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let me know what you're doing this weekend. I'll get back to comments as soon as possible. God bless you all.